I dropped my damn controller, bro.
You.
Pay me a visit, please.
Alright, you rude. Nothing else.
Hey, bro.
Weave.
No,
Help
bro.
me,
Yeah,
bro.
that's gonna happen a little bit.
Okay, no weave.
Wait, am I a tagger?
The
I'm gonna try and
server
tag.
girl. Yes. And then you're gonna put
Oh,
in
look
the
at this
server
camper.
girl. And then you're going
I'm
to
taking.
just
Somebody help me!
Here, I'll teach you some basics. Where are
My
you?
name is started. I
actually-
don't know.
Get me, bro.
Help!
I
Help
can't.
before he starts camping.
Like I can't physically do it. I mean, I'm kind of stuck up here. Like I didn't even press button to join next game as runner.
Oh, bro, he's
pressed that.
still up there.
Yeah, I'm
Hey, what's
stuck.
up, Tartar? What's up, yo,
Yeah,
Tartar?
I'm
Yo,
Tartar
Tartar
Binks.
over here, bro.
What the fuck, man? I hit my fucking head.
Help.
Fucking thing, bro.
That's the thing, though. I think I'll just straight up branch the whole time and just start pissing people.
Bro, stop freaking targeting.
Yeah,
But
bro.
it's so funny.
Courage or like preds.
What?
What? I have 6,000
Who
right
is
now.
PZ9.
Dang! Oh my bad. Bye, bye everybody. Bye everybody.
Let's
Ow.
yoink. Yeah, thank you.
Unacceptable. Hey, you up there?
Alright,
Guys, everybody needs to copy my move. I'm gonna do the John Cena. Copy my move.
Oh, it's a yeah, this guy.
No.
What? What's happening? Oh, that's
What's happening?
hilarious. Wait, let me see.
Wait, let me see.
Yeah, what's going on over there?
Wow! Why is
Another
it cat?
Hold on.
I'm
Yeah, be me.
Let
Let him camp. Oh my god, I was so close. Don't freeze me. This guy's gonna camp, I guess. Alright, gotcha.
He's not
Over me. That's crazy.
Oh,
Wait,
my
my
God,
god,
I'm
I'm going
going.
to slide, bro.
I'm going!
I love
I'm
going.
George Cena!
Can I even get in now?
Damn it, I messed up.
Yes!
Damn, I messed
Finally.
up.
You're the only good one in this lobby. You're the only good
I
one.
messed up. How about me? Am I good or no?
No.
My twin!
I think
Dab
you
me
would be the
up.
only
Dab me
good
up.
ones in this server.
Dab me up.
Yeah, beat it.
Because you're fine. Game
Shut
likes
up,
you.
faggot. No, I'm gonna watch some YouTube. Fuck this.
Oh my god.
Like,
I'm
fuck
tired
this
from my phone.
bullshit. I ain't doing this.
Broski, you just barely got
You're a 22-year-old? Crazy. Stop that petition.
No, pineapple's leaving.
Stop capping!
Okay. Yeah.
Stop my controllers, please.
Hey,
tell me no.
help me, guy. Lava guy.
You know how I play.
Lava guy. Lava boy.
Oh.
Can I freeze him? Can I freeze him or no? Can I freeze him?
Oh!
I didn't cap you last time.
Bro, Lava boy.
What I told you. He
got
got freeze him. He got freeze. That's the only thing I'm not lying. He actually did.
Your mom ain't cooked, by the way.
Yo,
Like a lava
guys,
boy.
help us.
I'm idiot.
Right here. The boy. Go. I'm in the lava.
How am I not getting here? I'm
I
slow.
got
I'm
a
lost.
different branch this time.
I'm
I got the
I'm
same
as
one.
lost
Can you not cap me? Can you not cap me? Bro.
I'm as lost as a bat,
Can you
bro.
not cap me? I told you if I
You know,
try
I'm
to
like
freeze
blind as
him,
a
and
bat.
you said no. Try again. I just spun my friend.
Kiss mine.
This guy keep on freezing me!
Fucking hell, you lost. Stop behind you, behind you. Oh, man.
Yes, I'm on it! Country, once you get
Let's
banned.
finally go.
Finally! No, let's go. Not actually, next time.
Hey, if you
Oh!
give me a chance to take my shirt off, I'll give you $1.
But cat fingers in, please.
Huh?
Alright.
Don't
Don't help
boy.
him. Just don't help him. Just everybody, come attack me.
Go.
No, but you can't.
Get off.
Get away from him. Pingle, pingle. Stupid.
How
Yeah,
am I not
go,
tagging
go,
there?
come. Fuck no.
Dangle, pangle, stupid.
Go, come. Ah. Go, come on, find me, guys. I bet you can. I do it. Yeah, bro. Bro doesn't see me. They don't see me. You 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 don't see me, guys. You don't see me. Yeah. I'm just invisible. Damn it. Want to drink? Fuck! Mom, want to drink? Oh, you want to drink? Yeah, you get me now. A freeze me. Come and get me.
They can't find me, bro. I'm invisible.
Come on.
Yo.
Everybody report Lava Boy.
No, who's left?
Report Lava Boy. Go away, bro. Oh boy.
Hi. Late at night. Late at night is
I'm right behind you. Help her.
Oh, well, that
right
last
under
end
this.
is like a few.
Help her. Help her. Oh. Ese cola. Bro,
My God, you guys suck! My God, what did you You didn't get that. I was literally. I am just about.
You sound like you would be.
We got this, man. We might have
Riggers
this.
suck.
Yeah, they're just like.
Bro,
Barely
call me,
so
bro. What did I do?
Why should I? Okay, I'll come get you guys. I made this.
Oh,
well,
my
there goes
God.
another one.
I
What
couldn't
is
jump to get
it?
him, but I'm just gonna
Y'all
get
can't
tagged.
tag me like that.
Grinch.
Yeah, you
Grinch.
wanna actually pay attention. You might want to start locking in.
Well, cool. Gimme. Do it.
Alright,
Get
well,
it.
one. I got
Thank
this
you.
one.
Get banned.
No,
Get banned. Get banned.
Redhead.
Guys,
Why are we still
ankle.
here?
Give me.
Redhead.
Jumper.
Yeah, Grinch. Yeah, Grinch.
Up, and he sold.
You suck.
And there goes every penguin.
Yeah, look at
killer.
them. They can't tag us. They cannot tag us.
Look
Okay,
Fuck.
you
reaching out for me, bro. I'm
How
not
did it
ready.
get content?
Doesn't matter.
They can't tag you, bro. Y'all suck.
No.
They cannot never tag
Come
me.
on.
It's-
I'm not
this
PM.
is what happens when you prioritize one penguin. The rest get untagged.
Fucking hard enough.
That means it's too easy.
Man.
Hey, yo. All these pizza buns. All these pizza buns. All these pizza buns. All these pizza buns.
These freezers ass, they can't get me.
I feel like I'm out of my boundary right now.
No, you want both y'all. Go.
Thank you,
So
thank
this kid doesn't help me, bro.
That's
because he's
crazy.
weird. Help! Help!
Cause like I'm on top and I'm the alpha.
Help!
Oh my god, you're the alpha signal.
Help!
Here,
Yo, who are y'all reporting?
Help.
Yes, thank you, boy. Bro, stop! You guys, I already reported you. I already reported this, dude. That's freaking dude. Mega Knight.
Your freezer's ass.
Shut up. Bye!
You are us.
No,
They don't call me Darker than Void himself. Buns. Where's that one freezer's buns? Not you.
Bro, imagine camping. Crap.
You're like sitting down or something. You've gotten significantly worse. How is
Look
one
at the
person
chick
this
camping
bad?
me.
Come help, bro.
Oh,
And
no.
all he does is jump down. Wow, great
That
job,
was
buddy.
a would you? Let me hit him again. Is there free? Is there free? Ow. Ow.
Camper.
Let me play a song, okay? Let me try to. Oh, shit, two big bag. The 2v3s. 2v4s. Ah. Okay, it's a 2v2. No, it's a 3v3. Got you. Bridge and crackers. Am I the last one?
Yeah, I'm inside.
Just go and
Oh
slide,
my
man. Just go and
God.
slide. And look at this little
You
camper.
better run, bro.
Great. Why are you canning
I
me?
pinned